Katsujimachi is characterized by its interlocking fingers that fit together to form a tight, strong connection between two pieces of wood. It is important to choose a glue that is appropriate for the specific wood joinery project and the type of wood being used. This table is equipped with 4 doors with push-pull opening system and 3 compartments with shelves in ash. Building your own bed frame is simple and a great idea to save up some money. The mortise and tenon joint is a type of wood joint that has been used for centuries in furniture making and other forms of woodworking. Tilt tables typically have a faster blade speed, which helps to reduce the amount of time required to complete a cut. Japanese wood joinery is a traditional woodworking technique that is known for its simplicity, elegance, and strength. It is a unique form of joinery that is characterized by its use of interlocking joints rather than nails or screws to join pieces of wood together. The best type of wood for creating a joint will depend on several factors, including the specific type of joint being used, the load that the joint will be subjected to. This worker is an industrial designer that takes traditional joinery and makes it monster size. The dowels help to distribute the load evenly across the joint. Here you can see the fitting and draw boring of a simple lap joint that will join two 10 by 14 purlin plates. In this joint, 2 pieces of wood are overlapped to form a single, stronger joint. Templates are a type of pattern or guide that can be used to precisely shape and size wood for a specific project. Templates can be especially useful for cutting complex shapes such as curves or angled cuts, as they provide a precise guide. Wood is a strong and durable material that can withstand the weight and pressure of a person sleeping on a bed. The Shaper Origin is designed to be an easy-to-use tool for DIY enthusiasts and professional woodworkers alike, with a compact and portable design. In Japanese wood joinery, the joints are typically assembled without the use of glue, relying instead on the precise fit of the joint and the strength of the wood. To get a perfect wood joint, you need to consider several factors like proper planning and cutting accuracy. The mortise and tenon is one of the strongest and most versatile types of joints. Cabinet making involves using a variety of tools and techniques to create custom pieces of furniture and storage solutions. Olaf Davidson takes his trade one step further and creates a wood joing designed by AI. AI is used in the woodworking industry, especially for the optimizing of processes. A tilting table saw is a type of table saw where the blade can be tilted to make angled cuts. The ability to tilt the blade allows for a wider range of cutting options, including bevel cuts, compound cuts, and angled cuts. Tilting table saws come in two types, left tilt and right tilt. A scarf joint can be used to create longer pieces of wood and provide a strong, secure joint. One advantage of zip bolts over traditional screws or nails is that they can be adjusted after installation, making it easy to make slight modifications to the joint if necessary. Tilt table saws are typically more powerful than other types of table saws, which makes them well suited for heavy-duty projects. The different colors of wood are a result of a combination of natural and manufactured factors. Some of these factors are species, age, drawing conditions, staining, and finishing. Willie and Douglas is making a valet stand, a piece of furniture that is placed in the dressing area and can be used for storing clothes that need to be worn the next day. The dovetail joint, which is used frequently now, predates much of written history, with the technique dating back to ancient Egypt. This joinery technique is used in woodworking and is traditionally utilized to join furniture. Dovetail joints are known for their resilience. Japanese dovetail joints, also known as katsujimachi, are a traditional type of wood joinery.